BUSTFULL Cream Review, is it really good for you? Numerous ladies are frequently made to accept as true the truth approximately splendor is based upon the scale of their breasts. So they are trying numerous hacks, guidelines, and tips circulating across the net with the cause to boom the right bust length for them. Nevertheless, lesser than frequently, those hints don't work. Some bone-shaping creams are being used inside the Indian request that says to amplify the bone of ladies but simplest of full-size many oils. One similar cream that has unfeignedly proved its well-worth and has grown to become out to be highly notorious among Indian girls is the BUSTFULL cream through using Shivalik herbals. BUSTFULL Cream Review, Naturally Enhanced Breasts. BUSTFULL Breast Enlargement Cream is a new generation product whose list of active components features only organic herbal extracts. It managed to naturally increase the volume of the bosoms by stimulating the bodily estrogen production of this precise area. Among its amazing properties also falls the fact that it makes the skin firm and gentle. The bra-size solution also has a preventative action against the appearance of stretch marks. Vanity lies hidden in every living person, but women are especially prone to it. Every lady wishes to look her best during all hours of the day. Mother Nature is graceful when blessing us with her natural gifts, but sometimes they are not as big as we want them to. We are talking about the female breasts, of course. Women never seem to be happy or satisfied with the shape of their bust, and the truly reliable bust-enhancing solutions are very few. Plastic surgery is pricey and often leads to unwanted side effects. The implants have to be changed every couple of years as they are prone to leakage, which is also an additional cost. BUSTFULL Natural Breast Augmentation Cream is a recently released product that is based on active extracts of herbs and plants. It has already managed to help thousands of women around the world regain their self-confidence, enhance the volume of their breasts, and improve their general health. What is BUSTFULL Cream? BUSTFULL Cream is drafted from herbal products which are probably loose from any chemical composites in any manner. It assists in lifting the breasts by reinvigorating the skin aid machine. The natural rudiments present within the product aids in strengthening the ligament structure around the circumference of the bust area to lead them to the lesser established order, complete, and upraised. The cream also aids in eliminating stretch marks, if any. What is BUSTFULL? Results and effect. BUSTFULL is a completely natural breast augmentation solution that is the result of years of research and hard work of a group of expert mammalogists. They have carefully studied the effects of different plants of the female mammary glands and selected only the ones with the highest concentration of phytoestrogens in them. Phytoestrogens are naturally occurring substances that have the power to actively increase estrogen production in the female body when applied directly. This is why the BUSTFULL cream is completely safe for use and has a certificate of quality and unique identification number included inside the commercial packaging. How to use Bust Cream. On the way to creating the primary charge use of this cream, the subsequent manner will assist as an accomplice for the software program of the cream. You have to have a look at this cream after a bathtub for a smooth and starting place untied base to apply the product. A piece is going an extended manner, so take a small quantum of the bust entire cream for your clean triumphs for operation. Sluggishly rub down the cream in a spherical stir over your breasts with a light hand. Do now not kind of rub the product. Rub down the cream till it is virtually absorbed into the pores and skin. Repeat the equal way for every user to get excellent results. In step with commands, the cream needs to be performed doubly each day, at least for a month. The modifications inside the length of the breasts may be ascertained to within weeks. The cream isn't always the only help in enlarging the busts, however, it also offers a moisturizing impact and makes them radiant. Warning: Bust Complete Cream has to now not be employed with the aid of suckling mothers. Girls utilizing the cream should not take a bathtub internally an hour after applying the cream. The cream needs to not be employed by girls under the age of 18.